Python 101 Lesson 6 expressions walkthrough. Stage 2 is pretty simple. It's simply 5 times x. Trickier Trap 2 is a little bit more involved. If you look at this, it's 7 times x to the 5th power, which is really x times x times x times x times x. Another way to solve that is to use the exponent right here. So you can say 7 times, and then I would put in parentheses here, x star star 5. That means x to the 5th, so that's this part of it. Trickier Trap 3 is a little trickier. In this one, we're going to say, I'm just going to say x times x because there's no reason to put the exponent in for that reason. X times x plus 2 times x plus 1 straight across. And Trickier Trap 4, this one's quite tricky. So this is a pretty advanced math problem. If I look at it here, it is, I'm going to do x to the 3rd. Oops, sorry, that's not right. 3 times x minus 2, because I want it to do all of that math first. So I'm going to put this whole chunk right here in brackets because I want that part to be done first. Then I want it to divide what I do. So it's going to first do 3 times x, and then from that answer it's going to subtract 2. Now it's going to move on to this division right here. And the division is for this bottom part, which is pretty long. Let's look. I'll put my parentheses in. I suppose we can put the outer parentheses in right away. Now I have 1 plus 2 times x. And I'm going to need to put that in its own little parenthesis because I'm going to have to take that times itself because it's an exponent. So I'm going to say times 1 plus 2 times x. And that should be all. I'm missing one set. Oh, we got u to the outside. Perfect. This should run perfectly. That's a big math problem. All right, and that's it for this lesson. There was not a whole lot other than the quiz.